Okay, you humans, I hope you're ready. Turning them loose.
About 4 guys in the woods. Yeah. Save it slow. Start picking them off. Once you kill them, they come in with you. Let's go.
Dude, are you okay? Hey, have these down.
Watch slow.
You good? There's not much straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Oh, that was fun. Yeah,
From which angle?
Oh, hit! Oh, hit!
Oh. Stay low. David. Oh, dude.
Maximilians, people.
Where'd David go?
What do you got on this side?
Not much. I say we could push up pretty. At least we're
fuckers, don't shoot at a respawn!
chill though. Let's
Watch out,
let's get into the TV station with JJ. Say we could.
Ready?
Oh no, that's Michael. He's got a Polar Star. Don't underestimate. I think you got him. Hey, let's get up to the side of this building. 3.
Oh, sorry, Bill.
Oh. Watch outside.
Zombie line.
Okay. You guys want to push up to the bait shop? Sorry about that. Excuse me.
Are you loaded now? You can get shot right there. They're shooting you.
Pull it up. Okay, gotcha. I heard there's guys in zombie land, so we got to be careful. Guys up top. They're moving for you. JJ. You're hit. Okay. David! David! Get up here! You're good, you're good. I'm just afraid of what's going on behind us. Let's get into Zombieland. What? You gonna rendezvous? No way. Speed whore! No. We can't move forward because we got a guy straight up ahead. Hey, let's move to the police station. Hey, mister, you know where he got hit from? Okay, I didn't want to ask him.
Where'd you get hit from? Because we can't talk to dead people.
Yeah, that's right. That's why I just asked him. Piece of crap, hop up.
You're not gonna make it.
Let's go right there. Think we could?
Yeah. Just scared about getting shot from the side.
I know. I'm afraid about the woods. I see my next spot here. Can you give me some cover? See, this spool and the planks right there. I'm gonna get into that gap between the little one and the big one on the right side.
Hey, Michael's polar starring.
I know.
Should I fuck with him?
What's up, David? Didn't get there.
You don't think my baby's seen it there?
Where is he?
Where?
You can hit them.
Oh,
You can't hit them.
Me?
I can hit them.
that's.
I can hit them, yeah.
Is that a, what is that? Is that a Cam 4 wrist?
Yeah, it shoots hot though.
Hey, you got the silencer. Probably got a long barrel in there.
Shoots 490. I mean 470 with 2.5.
I'm trying to lob and it's not working. Wow.
Hey, you want to try moving it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hey. Is my spot smart right now?
Yeah.
So let's have a
Hey, you go first.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Okay. You don't need it. Just go. Where? Barely made it. I'm rolling out.
Where you going?
I wanted to get in the gap to have some security from the left side. David, you got him. He's hitting. Thanks. Go to the alien side.
Hey, you want to try moving it up?
Oh yeah, we got there's this one kid's kind of oblivious. Let's move up on the right side. Where you say we go next?
Sweep right.
Hey, you guys watch over this kid right here. He's already hit.
Hey, watch out. Hey, going right from right here.
Where?
Look.
Oh. Oh, we're not shooting at you, okay?
I'll shoot you if I want to shoot you. Walk faster.
Dude. Chill. That was him.
It was me.
Might have been me. Did it hurt a lot? Oh, wait. What? Right. Get back in. Get back.
You shot my gun.
Oh. Sorry if I broke anything.
You see that?
You get him?
Yeah, call it. Look at that.
Hit.